Located steps from historical Boston landmark, the Monty Boston is a boutique luxury aparthotel. Each suite offers stunning views of the Golden Dome, Massachusetts State House and famed Boston Common, which was established in 1634 and is America's oldest public park. Previously a dilapidated office building, Balance Architects restored the 6-story brick structure in 2023. The Monty Boston also boasts a beautiful 1,350 square foot rooftop terrace with city views, blending native meadow plantings in an undulating topography, integrated stormwater retention, and a welcoming deck with an outdoor garden space for guests and visitors to enjoy. When renovating the historic property, the owner was required to retain 1,200 cubic feet of stormwater on site by the Boston Water and Sewer Commission. The conventional solution, installing large underground holding tanks, would have cost more than $400,000 and significantly disrupted the building during construction. Instead, they partnered with Roofterra to design a more efficient and purposeful solution with a living roof. The green roof system can retain the required stormwater directly on the rooftop, transforming a previously unused surface into a lush amenity space. The system exceeds BWSC requirements and provides added value to ownership and pollinators. The Omni Ecosystem's lightweight metal green roof system was employed along with over 50 cubic yards of its infinity media. The growing media ranges from 4 to 18 inches deep, and the structural load distribution exceeded 203 cubic feet of water storage. Plants include the Omni Meadow seed mix and perennial plugs of echinacea, allium, rudbeckia, and red twig dogwood. Recover Green Roofs carried out the installation and continues to maintain the landscape to ensure lasting performance and health. The finished roof features a guest-accessible deck framed by a native meadow planting that supports pollinators, adds seasonal beauty, and quietly manages rainfall where it lands. It is constructed of oil-rigged platform grading, an ADA-compliant material that is less slippery when wet, requires less maintenance than wood, and is easier to install. In place of the underground rainwater tanks, this project delivers a welcoming outdoor environment that enhances both the building and the surrounding neighborhood and stands as an example of how thoughtful design can meet regulatory requirements while providing livable green space in the city. The new landmark Monty Boston Green Roof demonstrates how policy, design, and stewardship intersect to create meaningful environmental impact.
For more information about this project and many more, explore the International Green Roof and Green Wall Projects database at Greenroofs.com and join our mailing list so you don't miss out on any of the green roof and green wall news and upcoming projects of the week.